Hi dear parents and students, it has been a long time we have met. The last academic year, you know that we had got an incomplete session. We could not say goodbye to our friends. We could not make our examinations, and after that we could not get even a good vacation holiday. We could not move out, so unfortunate. And needless to tell you that the COVID-19 pandemic unprecedentedly affected our family life, our all sort of life, way of life, our business and everything, even our education also. But really, I have to appreciate our parent fraternity and the students, those who are standing with us in this present situation. We know that how all other firms have been affected by this present pandemic. Similar way, our education field also got affected. It has got a standstill and all over the world, across the world. And people don't know what to do next. But everyone knows that the wonderful creation of the God, human being, has started thinking when every doors are closed in front of him. And now, education also gradually moving towards the online platform. Dramatically, there has got a lot of changes. And our school is also going to cope up with or going to update all kind of our learning platform into a new technological era. Remote learning and e-learning are not new to the Oxford family and to our students as well. And now we are planning to move our education platform completely online for the time being till we can get our physical contact classes in a normal way. And you know that EDUCORE and EDUCARE, we have been using these two platforms, two apps for parents and students. EDUCARE we were using for parents to update, to get updates from the teachers and the school, what all the things happening here. EDUCORE we were using for our students.
EDUCORE is a cloud-based, intelligent learning management solution designed in partnership with Google for Education. It offers some amazing tools. It provides a platform for teachers, students to work together for teaching and learning process. It provides simple tools for parents to involve in child's education in real time. EDUCORE Web needs you to have the latest Google Chrome browser to work properly. Let's see quickly how a student can access the tools in EDUCORE. Open Google Chrome and type in oxford.educore.guru. Log in with the credentials given from the school. You will be greeted with the dashboard. Menu is located on the topmost left corner of the dashboard. In the menu, you can access the digital library, courseware, and a whole lot of other tools. In digital library, you can access all digital contents in the form of text, PDF, videos, and YouTube links, which are arranged as per subjects and chapters of the textbooks. Let's go back to the main menu. Here, we can access the courseware, which will display all the subjects taught in the classroom. In the subjects page, you can see a blue button to launch Google Classroom. Once you click the button, you will be taken to the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, you can see 4 tabs on the top, which are Stream, Classwork, People, and Grade. Stream, discussion board of the class. Here, the teacher will be discussing things with the whole classroom. Students can communicate with the teacher, adding comment to what teacher posts. In classwork, you can see topics arranged by the teacher and assignments assigned to the students. You can also see a link to the class drive folder where contents kept by the teacher can be accessed. More training on this will be given by the teacher once the classroom starts. The student can access the assignments, quizzes, or materials shared by the teacher in the classwork tab.
So our teachers are being trained. These holidays, our teachers are getting trained from EDUCORE and many experts from abroad and many experts from NIM school, and we are getting ready to make you all facing our online classroom, and very soon our teachers are coming back to you virtually like the classroom ambience. Of course, this must be a very interesting and effective thing for you all, because we have tried in different schools in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah and everywhere, and we got much appreciation from the parents also. It is just exactly like our classroom. Students are coming to the class and sitting in front of the screen at your home, and you will get prayer, pledge as what we are doing from school. And period wise classes also will be there. Live chat with the students, and teachers will start giving you assignment and project, everything. I hope you have all got an idea how to do our online classes, how to attend our online classes. And if you have got any doubt on that, you have always our service of our IT support team, and our school office also can be contacted, and your teachers also always will be in touch with you. And please be online on these days, and let's challenge this, because we don't want to break education at any cost, because education is always available anywhere and anytime. The Oxford family really salute our nurses, doctors, cleaning staff, police personnel for making this situation a better one. Similarly, I request every one of you to salute our teacher community, because you know they are planning to make a lot of changes in the education field, and they are coming up with much better than the stuff what we were giving before. And of course, I am sure that our students will not lose anything. So we have to really appreciate and respect our teacher community, teacher fraternity also. Once again, I thank our Oxford family wholeheartedly for standing with us in this adverse situation, and we expect always your support and your feedback, and that make us growing a better school. Thank you.